So this is the trim tool, and trust us now, it's not in Nigeria. Oh. So if you're looking for it, come and meet us. We will give you feedback. Come closer, come closer, come closer. So
An automobile air conditioning dashboard trim tool is a specialized tool used to remove and install the trim and molding around the air conditioning vent and dashboard in a vehicle. It's typically used by automotive technicians and DIY enthusiasts when repairing or replacing air conditioning components, dashboards, or trim panels. This tool is designed to safely remove the trim without damaging the dashboard or other surrounding components. It may include various functions such as trim removal hooks, dashboard clip removers, vent grille pullers, molding removal levers. Using the correct tool helps prevent damage to the vehicle's interior and ensures a professional looking installation. And if in case you need this trim tool for your
you
use,
can visit us in our office, number 50B Nepal Line, Uyo